In this video, we'll walk you through the process of identifying and safely removing unpushed commits, ensuring that your repository remains organized and efficient. Watch now and streamline your development workflow with these essential Git tips. Here I have one sample project where I want to give demonstration. So first of all, let's make some changes in the project. Let's make commit to the changes. Click on Commit All to push the code to stage. This code is not yet pushed to remote, so we can reset this from Git. For this, click on Git from the menu. Then select Manage Branches. In the branch history view, locate the commit you wish to remove. Then, right-click on the commit directly below the one you intend to delete. Then click on Reset. After that, click on Keep Changes Mixed option. By doing this, commit will be removed from the Git and those changes you have made will appear in the stage. This is a good option if you want to incorporate those changes into a new commit. From Git history, the commit get removed, but those changes appears in the stages environment as you can see here. Now to test Reset Hard option. Let's make some changes in the code and commit it. Now go to Menu and select Manages Branches. Again, right-click on the commit directly below the one you intend to delete. Then select Delete Changes. In the confirmation, click on Yes. This will also remove from Git history and discards all the changes you have made on those delete commit. Use this option with caution, as there's no way to recover the lost changes. In this way, we have seen how to unpush commits in Visual Studio by using Git Reset Hard as well as Soft option. Hope you like this. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel for similar videos. Also click on bell icon so that you will not miss any update. Thank you.